Understanding Thunderclap, a lightning-fast English lesson. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a striking English phrase that's as powerful as it sounds, thunderclap. Whether you're an English learner or just looking to brush up on your language skills, understanding these expressions can be as exciting as a stormy day. So, let's get ready to clear up the skies and learn all about this electrifying term. A thunderclap refers to the loud, booming sound of thunder that follows a flash of lightning. It's the sound that often startles people during a storm and is caused by the rapid expansion and heating of air around a lightning bolt. The term can be used both literally, to describe the weather phenomenon, and metaphorically, to describe a sudden shocking event or surprise in everyday situations. When talking about the weather, a thunderclap is that sudden, loud noise coming from the sky during a storm. It's an instant sound, like an explosion, and it happens when the lightning is very close. The closer the lightning, the less time there is between the flash and the thunderclap, which means the storm is right over you. In metaphorical terms, when something happens unexpectedly and with great impact, we can say it happened like a thunderclap. For example, if news comes suddenly and is very surprising, it can be described as a thunderclap. It conveys the idea of shock and surprise, much like the unexpected nature of a storm's loud roar. Let's put thunderclap into action. Here are a few examples. The announcement of the winner came like a thunderclap, leaving everyone in the audience stunned. I was enjoying a quiet walk when, like a thunderclap, the news of his resignation hit me. Her sudden appearance in the doorway was like a thunderclap, abrupt and startling. And that's a wrap on thunderclap. Now, when the skies of English vocabulary send a thunderclap your way, you'll be well prepared to understand and use this term confidently. Remember, learning English can be full of surprises, just like a sudden storm, but each new word is a step towards mastering the language. Thanks for watching, and I hope this lesson helps you make some noise in your English learning journey.